Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we'll provide you with a full guide on how to delete your bio in TikTok. Your bio is a brief description that allows you to express yourself and share information with your TikTok community. If you want to remove your existing bio, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the TikTok app on your device. Step 2. Tap on the profile icon located at the bottom drawer of the screen. It typically appears as a silhouette of a person. Step 3. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. Step 4. In the Edit Profile section, find the Bio option. Tap on it to access your bio settings. Step 5. Delete all the text or content that you have typed in your bio. You can do this by selecting the text and tapping on the Delete or Backspace button on your device's keyboard. Once you have cleared the bio field, tap on the Save button to apply the changes. By following these steps, you can easily delete your bio in TikTok and have a clean profile without any text descriptions. Remember, removing your bio doesn't mean you can't add a new one later. Feel free to update your bio whenever you want to share new information or express yourself differently. Thank you for watching, and happy bio editing.